So, Claude has just launched one of the craziest AI opportunities that I've ever seen. They are selecting 1,000 people and they're teaching you how to use AI, and then they're paying you an $85,000 salary. Plus medical, dental, vision, and paid holidays, and a 401k. And here's the unbelievable part. You don't need a university degree, you don't need to know how to code or a developer, and you don't need tens of years of experience. In fact, they specifically want to work with people that are at the very beginning of their career. It's called Claude Corp, and Anthropic is funding it. So essentially, CodePath will employ you and you'll be using it for the next 12 months. And this allows Claude to help non-profit organizations around America. Now, the deadline for the first group has already passed, but applications are still on a rolling basis till January 2027 and August 2027, so you've still got time. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can apply for this new role through Claude Corp. And I'm going to be showing you how to use Claude and how to apply to give yourself the highest chance of approval. Because this could genuinely be your way into the AI industry whilst getting paid a life-changing salary and having all of these other medical benefits and a 401k. So if you're excited about this life-changing opportunity Anthropic is doing, then smash the like button on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to learn how to make money with AI, whether that's through businesses, side hustles, or being employed by some of the biggest brands. So now you can see my computer screen. I've come up with this comprehensive guide for how to apply for the Claude $85,000 to learn program. Now this goes over all the truths, everything involved, and the application process. And I've even given you prompts to use. So this will all be available in the pinned comment and in the description below once we hit just 100 likes. And this literally covers everything. Now, before I move on to this documentation, I do want to go over the official document from Anthropic. As you can see, this was done on June the 11th, 2026. We are launching Claude Corp's a national fellowship program for people early in their careers who are passionate about extending the benefits of AI in communities across America. We'll teach 1,000 people how to use Claude while matched with the non-profits across America and pay them to spend a year full-time in person helping and hosting organizations advance their missions through our goals. You can see fellows will receive a full-time salary of $85,000. Now, if we go over to my documentation, now I've actually given you, can you actually apply? So I've given you this little calculator that you can use. So you can see here, it is a tick every statement that's true. Now I'm going to pretend like this is me. I am older than 18. Yes. I am authorized to work in the USA without sponsorship. Now, something that I do want to point out is you do need to be an American citizen for this to work. So if you're watching this from other parts of the world, unfortunately for now, it is not available. But I can see something similar happening with other AI companies around Europe and in America. So for now, I'm just going to pretend I'm from the US. So I'm going to tick yes. I already use AI tools day to day. I'm going to put yes. I have work under 2 years of full-time experience. Yes. I am willing to relocate within the US if required. Yes. I can show that I acted on cause, community needed, or real problem. Then I can click check my position and it says you appear to meet the published basics. So you can see that technically based on these, I can apply. If I then untick, I already use AI tools and click check my position, it says here you appear to meet the published hard requirements. Now, if I do this again and click check, it shows you appear to meet published basic and show both key signals. So depending on what you choose, it'll either be yellow or green. Green means better, yellow means you can, but it's not as good. Now, you do not need a college degree, a computer science qualification, previous coding experience, 10 years in technology, and to be a CodePath student. You do need baseline hands-on AI fluency, evidence you learn quickly, clear communication, self-direction, and genuine interest in social impact. So these things you can't make up, guys. You really do need to try and get good at these. So for the $85,000 salary, you get paid twice monthly as a full-time W-2 CodePath employee. Approximately gross pay is $3,542 per period before taxes. You get health and retirement. So medical and dental vision, 401k, paid holidays, flexible PTO, life and disability insurance, plus additional benefits. up to $2,500 in credits for API credits using Claude. Now, the way this works is you have something called the base camp, which is the mandatory opening training and orientation cohort 1, which begins with an in-person week in San Francisco, covered travel and logistic expenses. You join the host, work alongside non-profit teams and learn operations, find the bottleneck, identify real operational program challenges where AI can help replace human judgment. Then you build and test different workflows to help, and then you leave capability. So you finish with working the solution, responsible guidelines, and then you train the staff on how to use what you built. So here are 3 realistic project examples. Food bank intake assistant. Turn messy intake notes into a structured record, translate approved instructions, and flag cases that need staff members without making eligibility decision. Grant research workflow. Review public grant criteria, create a fit metrics, and draft first passed application. Actions using verified facts supplied by non-profit. The third one is program insights agent. Summarize and de-identify feedback, identify recurring themes and procedures, and evidence link report to staff can improve services. And now you can see I'm on the official page and it says in the top right, apply to be a fellow. So I can click apply to be a fellow. And then you can see here, I've got the official documentation, and then I can click apply. And then you can see it says apply for this job. So this is the official job application. You can read all of this if you want, guys, in your own time. But you're going to see you've got your first name, last name, preferred name, email, location. Then you can attach your resume and CV. What are your pronouns? What's your higher level of education? It is very much like a job application when you read through this, by the way. Now, step 3, take the 2 required learning modules, complete the AI Fluency and Claude 101 modules using the instructions supplied inside the application. Take notes you need to apply on concepts later. So basically, before you apply, you need to make sure you've done both of these, because if you don't, it will show up when they do the interview process. Then step 4 is write 2 short answers. The official FAQ says applications answer questions about impact in their community. Then step 5, complete the take-home assessment. Step 6, pass the conversation and final round. So this is a published process, includes a 25-minute conversation followed by a final round within 2 interviewers. And then step 7, interview with the host and organizations. Finalists will meet the 3 potential nonprofits. So it's a 2-sided matching process with project scopes, work arrangement, and location. How to become harder to reject. So when you submit your application, how do you become really strong? Build one tiny nonprofit demo. So choose a real public problem and create a safe prototype in 2 or 3 hours. Use synthetic data, not personal or confidential records. Document your decisions, show the problem, input, output, verification method, risk control, and what a human must approve. Judgment is more valuable than the prompt tricks. Prepare 4 true stories, 1 each for impact, fast learning, a setback, ambiguity, I really struggle to say this word, use situation, action, result, and reflection. So a fictional example is Maya, 19. Background, Maya she volunteers repeatedly and answers the same questions about her hours, required documents, and available services. So weak application, I love AI and I want to use Claude to help nonprofits save time. I am a fast learner and the fellowship would be an amazing opportunity. So this is super generic. Then you have the evidence-backed version. I reviewed 4 weeks of anonymous volunteers' questions, grouped 126 questions into 8 themes, and built Claude-assisted draft FAQ. 2 staff members checked every answer before I used it in small test. Average response time fell from 11 minutes to 4 minutes. I also added a rule that any eligibility or emergency questions must go to a staff member. So look at the difference between quality within this application and this application. So this is a really good scoring tier. So the way the scoring works is 0 is the worst, 2 is the best. Now your target is 2 for all of these, and you're going to be scored based on AI fluency, community impact, learning speed, and communication. Now for AI fluency, if you've only watched videos, you're going to get marked 0. If you've used chat tools, you'll get marked 1. And if you've built and evaluated a workflow, that would be 2. So you want to make sure you do this, which gives you 2. Then community impact, no example, gives you a 0. Helped informally gives you a 1. And owned an action with a result gives you a 2. Learning speed, only a claim, 1 vague example, clear before and after. So you want to do a clear before and after. Then communication, generic or confusing, clear but broad. This is where you want to be, guys, for each one of these points, which is in this column here, which will give you a 2, 2, and 2. Now, what I've also done is give you 6 copyable Claude prompts. So this is the eligibility checker. This is find your strongest impact story. This is application answer editor. This is build a weekend portfolio project. And this is take-home assessment practice, and this is interview simulator. Now, it's very important that you guys use every single prompt that I've put in this sheet, that I've put in this file, and you can literally click copy prompt, and you can use this. Now, I can't explain how important it is that you guys use all of these, because this will back check, fact check, and see how good it is for each one of the answers that you do. Now, if you skip any of these or you're not telling the truth, then you're only gonna make your application less likely to be approved. Now, I wanna go over avoid instant rejection. So these are things that will get you instantly rejected and most likely blacklisted. Do not fabricate. Never invent non-profit work that's never existed. So basically anything that AI gives you as an example, do not copy and paste it. Do not ignore logistics. Be honest about work authorization, full-time availability, relocation. Do not pitch reckless automations. Not paid to apply, and do not wait for perfect. So if you're not eligible, the opportunity behind the opportunity. Learn the fundamentals, choose one cause, ship 3 small systems, and then offer 1 pilot. So you can approach local nonprofits and try and sell them these services. So even if you do get rejected by this, which I hope none of you do, but some of you will, then the skills that you would have learned from this, you can actually go off and do this on your own and try and charge businesses like nonprofits money to do it. Or you can do it free of charge, help nonprofits, and then you've got more case studies later down the line to show other applications. Maybe it won't be for Claude, maybe it will be for OpenAI, maybe it will be for Grok, or different companies, but then you'll have real case studies to add to your CV. So with that being said, that's exactly how you can get paid by Claude or Anthropic $85,000 a year just to learn AI. And again, this will be available once we hit just 100 likes on the video. With that being said, guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you plan on doing with this opportunity.